Alright, serious question. If your car flipped into water right now, your doors stopped working, your seatbelt locked, and water started rushing into the cabin, what's your actual plan? Because panic is not a plan. And here's a terrifying reality most drivers never think about. Vehicle submersion accidents are incredibly dangerous because many victims don't die from the impact, they die because they can't escape fast enough. Doors become impossible to open due to water pressure, electronics fail, seatbelts jam, windows become your only exit, and every second matters. That's exactly why today we're ranking the best car escape tools with seatbelt cutters you can buy right now. And no, we're not just reading product listings and pretending everything is amazing. We're looking at real-world usability. How fast can it break glass? How easy is it to reach during a crash? Can you use it in complete darkness? Can someone with limited strength actually operate it? And trust me, the most popular tool on this list may not actually be the best option for your car. Links are in the description if you want pricing. Let's jump in. Before we start, one huge warning. Most of these tools only work on tempered side windows. Many newer luxury vehicles now use laminated side glass. That's much harder to break. So always check your vehicle specs before buying any escape tool. That matters a lot. Starting at number 6. At number 6, we have the car window breaker and seatbelt cutter 2-pack. And this is one of the best entry-level options for people who simply want coverage. Because here's the issue with single escape tools. What happens if your tool gets thrown across the car during impact? What if you can't reach it? That's why this 2-pack setup is smart. One can stay near the driver, one can stay near passengers. That instantly improves your odds. The design is straightforward. Steel window breaker tip, built-in seatbelt blade, no complicated features. And honestly, that simplicity is a strength. During emergencies, complexity becomes dangerous. The larger grip also feels easier for some people compared to tiny keychain models. But here's the downside. These tools depend entirely on where you mount them. Throw it in your glove box? Terrible idea. If your car flips, that tool may become useless. Still, for budget buyers wanting multiple escape points, this is strong value. At number 5, we have the window breaker seatbelt cutter with flashlight 2-pack. This one gets interesting because it solves a problem many people completely ignore: darkness. Imagine crashing at night. Power goes out. Cabin lights fail. Water starts entering the vehicle. You can't see your seatbelt latch. That built-in flashlight suddenly becomes incredibly useful. And unlike large hammer tools, this uses a compact, spring-loaded mechanism. That means less physical force is required to break windows. That's huge for older drivers or people with less upper body strength. Its keychain-friendly size also makes accessibility much better. You can keep it attached to your keys. But there's a trade-off. Smaller tools often feel less confidence-inspiring for people who prefer larger grips. And battery maintenance matters if you rely on the flashlight. Still, for nighttime emergencies, this is a very underrated option. At number 4, we have the 4-pack car window breaker and seatbelt cutter. This one is built for families. And honestly, that's why it deserves attention. Parents often buy one tool and think they're covered. But what about rear passengers? Teen drivers? Multiple family vehicles? That's where this wins. 4 tools allow full coverage: driver door, passenger door, rear seats, multiple cars. That flexibility is excellent. The bright colors also make them easier to locate during emergencies. And the larger hammer design provides strong glass-breaking force. But here's the downside. They require more physical effort than spring-loaded tools. And again, mounting location matters a lot. At number 3, we have the legendary resqme, the original emergency keychain car escape tool. This thing became famous for one reason: accessibility. And honestly, that's a huge advantage. Most emergency tools fail because people can't reach them fast enough. This stays on your keychain, which means it's almost always with you. Its spring-loaded window punch requires very little force. That makes it extremely effective in high-stress situations. And the seatbelt cutter is simple and fast. No giant swinging motion needed. That matters in tight spaces, especially underwater. But here's why it didn't rank higher. No flashlight, no backup unit. And if you're separated from your keys during a crash, that creates risk. Still, this remains one of the best personal escape tools ever made. At number 2, we have the Amazon Basics Emergency Seatbelt Cutter and Window Hammer Tool 2-pack. And this one almost took first place. The biggest reason? That glow-in-the-dark strip. That sounds small, until you imagine trying to find your tool in a dark car filled with smoke or water. That visibility feature matters a lot. You also get 2 tools. That improves accessibility. The hammer design feels sturdy, the seatbelt cutter works quickly, and the larger grip feels reassuring. This is one of the best traditional hammer designs on the market. But here's what kept it from number 1. It still requires swinging space, and not every emergency gives you that. That brings us to number 1, the 2-pack Car Safety Hammer Gold Edition. And this wins for one reason: raw braking power. This thing feels extremely solid. Heavy-duty construction, strong metal tip, excellent striking force. And if your primary concern is reliably shattering tempered side windows quickly, this tool delivers. The larger handle gives better leverage, and many users simply feel more confident using traditional hammer-style tools during emergencies. The 2-pack setup also improves placement options. Now yes, it lacks the glow strip advantage of Amazon Basics, and yes, it requires more swing room than spring-loaded tools like resqme, the original emergency keychain car escape tool. That's why your specific vehicle matters. Small compact car? Spring-loaded tools may be smarter. Larger SUV or truck? This hammer may be perfect. And here's where people make a huge mistake. They buy the tool, then throw it in the glove compartment. That completely defeats the purpose. Your escape tool should be mounted somewhere instantly accessible: driver door pocket, center console, under steering column, anywhere you can reach quickly. And teach your family where it is. That matters just as much as buying it. So here are the final winners. Best budget coverage, Car Window Breaker 2-pack. Best night emergency tool, flashlight escape tool. Best family option, 4-pack escape tools. Best compact tool, resqme, the original emergency keychain car escape tool. Best visibility feature, Amazon Basics 2-pack. Best raw power, gold safety hammer. Before buying, check whether your car uses laminated side windows, and please mount your tool properly. A life-saving tool buried in your glove box is basically useless. Check the links in the description for pricing. And if this video helped you potentially save your life or someone else's, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone you care about. Stay safe out there.